Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to access my Microsoft account settings step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your PC. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you usually use. Look along the bottom of your screen or on your desktop, then click once on the browser icon to open it. If you accidentally open the wrong program, just close it and try again until your browser window is in front. Once your browser is open, go to the Microsoft account website. In the address bar at the very top, click once so it is highlighted. Then type account.microsoft.com. After you finish typing, press the Enter key on your keyboard. The page will load and you should see the Microsoft account site with the Microsoft logo at the top. Now, look near the upper right corner of this Microsoft account page and find the Sign In button. It is usually a blue or outlined button with the word Sign In on it. Move your mouse over that button and click it once. If you do not see Sign In, make sure the page has fully loaded and that you are on account.microsoft.com, not another Microsoft page. On the Sign In screen, you will see a box asking for your Microsoft account email, phone number, or Skype ID. Click inside that box so you see a blinking cursor, then type the email address, phone number, or Skype name linked to your Microsoft account. When you are sure it looks correct, click the Next button just below. A common mistake is typing a personal or work email that is not actually registered with Microsoft, which will cause an error on the next screen. After that, you will see a password box for your Microsoft account. Click in the password field, then carefully type your password. Make sure caps lock is not turned on, since that changes every letter. When you are done, click the Sign In button below the password box. If Microsoft asks for extra verification, such as a code sent to your email or phone, follow the prompt on that same screen to enter the code, then confirm to continue. These checks help stop someone else from signing in as you. Once you have signed in successfully, you will land on your Microsoft account dashboard. Here you will see your name and profile picture near the top, and several large sections or tiles below, such as your info and privacy. This dashboard is the main place where your account details are organized. Any change you make on these pages updates your account stored on Microsoft servers, not just on this one computer. From here, you can open your info to see your name and personal information. This area controls what name appears on Microsoft services and sometimes on shared documents. If something is spelled wrong, you can return here later to fix it. Nearby, you will see Privacy, where you can adjust how Microsoft handles your data and certain activity history. Adjusting these does not break your account, it only changes how your information is used. Next on the dashboard, you can go into Security, which handles your password and sign-in security. This is where you can change your password or add extra protection options so it is harder for someone else to get in. You will also see Payment and Billing, which manages your payment methods and past purchases. If a card expires or you no longer use it, you come back to this area to update or remove it. You will also notice services and subscriptions on the dashboard. This section shows Microsoft 365 and any other subscriptions linked to your account. Here you can see when each subscription renews and whether it is set to renew automatically or not. Right next to that, there is Devices, which lists devices connected to your account, such as Windows PCs or Xbox consoles. If a device is lost or you no longer own it, this is where you check what is still associated. Now, there is another way to reach your Microsoft account on a Windows 11 PC. On your desktop, click the Start button at the bottom center of the screen, then click Settings in the menu that appears. The Settings icon usually looks like a small gear. The Settings window will open, showing several categories on the left. With Settings open, look at the list on the left side and click Accounts. This Accounts section lets you see which Microsoft account is signed in on this PC and manage account-related settings directly on your computer. Changes you make here, such as switching to a different Microsoft account, affect how this particular PC signs in and syncs with your Microsoft account online. You have now signed in and reached your Microsoft account settings both in your browser and through Windows 11 settings. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.